And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, welcome to this week's Sea Lion Splash. We have a ton of announcements waiting for you. We also are going to talk about our recent visit from Dr. Pulver and some of our favorite board members when they came to see you shine. Friends, stick around because we have a lot in store in this episode. McGaw was on full display as Dr. Pulver, Mr. Forehand, as well as Miss Davidson came by and toured the entire school. Thank you so much, Sea Lions, for being on your best behavior and showcasing all the great things that you've learned so far this year. We're always so excited to have our board members and superintendent on campus, and we really appreciate your support. Let's check out some of the things that we did.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Hang on tight, Sea Lions. We have a lot of announcements coming straight at you right now. The first big announcement is that the book fair is here throughout the week. Your teacher has a schedule where you can visit as a class, check out some awesome titles so that you know how much you want to ask your parents for to support not only McGaw, but also your reading goals. I hope to see you at this week's book fair. Wednesday's also a big day for our 5th graders because the OSS closet is going to be open to them. That way you could come to school after school to make sure that you can find a waterproof jacket, some pants, maybe gloves, or even snow boots to help you on your trip to OSS. Then we have Kindness Day on Thursday. We want every single Sea Lion to wear yellow in celebration of a fantastic teacher named Miss Carrie McQuiston. We'll also dedicate a bench in her name. Next up, we have Family Fun Night on Thursday night. So at 5 p.m., you and your family members can come over to McGaw and have a ton of fun with some different types of activities that are going on throughout the evening. Friday is all about Sea Lion Awards, where we're going to celebrate all the achievements of our fantastic scholars from TK all the way up to 5th grade. And then lastly, we get the President's Week holiday next week. You have 5 days off, so I hope you have an opportunity to rest, relax, and recharge for the spring. Thanks so much, Sea Lions, for hanging out and listening to our announcements. I hope you have a great week. Our final announcement is all about friendships. It's important that all people who are a part of the McGaw community can have a understanding of how they should be treated while at school. So I want to give you 5 reminders of the things that you deserve when you are working with your friends. The very first one is that you can be friends with anyone you want to be friends with. The second reminder is that being friends doesn't mean you need to be the same or think the same. You're not going to criticize your friends for being different, and you should expect them to accept you in the same way. The third reminder is that friends aren't like rungs on a ladder. You should try and make friends with people who make your heart sing, not people who will make you more popular. The fourth reminder is that friendship is not a power struggle. It's not okay to set rules for your friends to follow, and if they try to set rules for you, then you should probably ask them to stop. The final reminder is that it's okay to love your friends and care about what they think about, but those people don't decide what you can and can't do. You are responsible for your own choices and actions, and that means you get to be free to move from one group to the next. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. because it's important to remember that there are hundreds and hundreds of students out there that are making great choices each and every day. And Mrs. Wood, myself, or even all of our teachers combined are not enough to make our community the very best that it can be. It's my vision that McGaw becomes the very best school in all of California, and I think we can do it, but we can't do it alone. It's going to take our entire community, and that means all of you out there that are watching, our parents, our students, our teachers, and all of our alumni to come together to make sure that our students are treating each other in a respectful manner. That's where it begins, our community. So friends, thank you so much for making great choices, and I want to encourage you to keep moving forward and making sure that we are treating each other in a respectful way so that we can take that next step forward and become the best school that we can possibly be. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!